Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a black 18 by 24 canvas in front of me. Got the black acrylic all ready to go. And I want to try and do just a bunch of color in the center with some cell action. That's what I'm hoping for. Let's give this a whirl. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And of course, all the regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, everyone. It really does mean the world to me. I love all your comments, all your thumbs up. It makes my day, and I read every single day. If I have new comments, I check. So I appreciate it very much. Okay, I've got Arteza paints mainly is what I'm working with. They're all mixed with Floetrol. It is 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol. These are the Arteza's pearl metallic kind of line. Yeah, I think pretty much all of them are. I've got strawberry red, golden hour, pink tulip, amethyst purple. This one is not Arteza. This is the Folk Arts aquamarine. Yeah, Treasures Gold aquamarine. So that's, I'm just using up that color. And then we've got Arteza's electric blue and Arteza's sky blue. So those are the colors I'm going to put down with my black cell activator, which is about 2 tablespoons. This is probably actually 3 tablespoons of the Floetrol with about 1.5 tablespoons of the black Amsterdam paint. Sorry, my camera's lower, I forgot. And I've also got about 1 tablespoon of the Minwax stain. I should probably have it out to show you. Let me just grab it, one sec. Wood conditioning stain Minwax, that's what I have in there. Just 1.5 tablespoons with 3 tablespoons of Floetrol in there and about 1 tablespoon and a bit of Amsterdam black paint. The black, oxide black, this one right there. Alrighty, that's everything that I'm using. And let's hope this works. Let's just start putting some color down. I'm going to get Greg to put some music on so you guys can sit back and enjoy. He'll probably fast forward it a little bit for you so that this video goes by real quick. Okay.